A new drug may reverse the effects of one of the world's most common diseases. An estimated 36 million people worldwide suffer from Alzheimer's disease. The actual number may be even bigger. CCTV's Hendrik Sybrandy reports from Denver on the Colorado laboratory that discovered this new drug.
Stained with something.
In a lab at University of Colorado Hospital, researcher Tim Boyd shows off evidence he says demonstrates that one drug removed signs of Alzheimer's in mice that had been injected with DNA from the disease.
When we treated them with this same drug, it completely reversed those problems. It did that in the mice. We want to now see if it's going to do that in humans.
Alzheimer's disease is a form of dementia that affects memory, thinking, and behavior and gradually worsens over time. It's a brain affliction that's defied scientists' attempts to find a cause or cure, but those who are working on both now have a bit of hope.
I'm very excited. This is an important, I think, scientific step, but it's one step. And the way things work in science, we have to take each one of these steps very carefully.
You can see all these.
In this case, people with rheumatoid arthritis were found to be less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. It turns out a protein in people with arthritis,
which is called granulocyte macrophage colony stimulating factor, to the scientists,
is also the basis for a drug given to cancer patients who've had chemotherapy. It's shown promise with mice.
There's good reason to believe that it will be helpful in Alzheimer's disease.
Just a couple of weeks ago, scientists at the Alzheimer's Association International Conference in Denmark laid out the progress that's been made in fighting the disease. Several dozen drugs are now in clinical trials.
We know that that drug development process is complex. It takes a number of years. And until a drug goes through phase 3 and comes out, with significant findings, we try and be somewhat cautious.
Trials of this latest drug, leucine, are starting now. Results may not be known for a year or two.
There has been a lot of headway. There's still a lot more left to go. Hopefully this drug will point us in the right direction.
Hendrik Sybrandy, CCTV, Denver.